Meet Dr. Misha Kouzeh, award-winning speaker, entrepreneur, university professor and podcast host whose work bridges the worlds of digital marketing, social impact, and sustainability. Her passion is helping purpose-driven brands turn ideas into measurable change. Dr. Kouzeh believes that marketing and media can, and should, be used as tools for good. Through her work in academia and industry, she inspires organizations to lead with integrity, creativity, and care for the planet. From working with the United Nations and Coca-Cola to startups and universities, Dr. Kouzeh has led projects that unite sustainability, education, and digital transformation. Each collaboration reflects her belief that meaningful change happens when purpose meets action. Dr. Kouzeh's excellence in teaching has been recognized by UCLA, where she received the Distinguished Instructor Award from the Office of the Dean, an honor given to only 16 out of more than 3,000 instructors. This recognition reflects her dedication to empowering students and professionals to lead with purpose. As a speaker, Dr. Kouzeh has inspired audiences across continents, from TEDx to NASA, and at leading institutions including Stanford, USC, and UCLA. Her talks explore the intersection of technology, storytelling, and social responsibility, showing how ethical leadership can drive lasting impact. To learn more about Dr. Misha Kouzeh's speaking engagements, consulting, or academic collaborations, visit mishakouzeh.com.